something much better, which is achievable than what the present government is going, people may choose you. But don't spread negativity just to sell your name at the cost of some leaders. Because today social media is there. Falsehood like global truth repeated 100 times, sometimes people are tending to believe even totally 100% false thing, knowing it is false. This is the tendency today. So we should not misuse tools which are meant for the better good of society, which is meant for the good of all the people at large. On today's occasion, हांव सगळ्यांक उनुनीत परबी दिता. I congratulate everyone. I salute my citizens. We have matured today as one of the most awesome democratic nation in the world. Let us truly celebrate the 70th year of our independence. Let's not forget the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who laid down their lives, who gave their everything to make you and me free. Free not just for when rules don't provide, not for sleeping on the road and the truck going over you. Freedom to achieve something. Freedom for you to develop as a wholesome citizen. Freedom for you to progress in the profession that you are, in studies that you undertake, in anything that you do in life. Because the collectivity of all this is going to result in a very prosperous nation and a very prosperous state. With this, once again, hearty congratulations to all of you. Remember that this nation is on the march to great progress under the leadership of Shri Narendra Modi at the center and Dr. Pramod Sawant here. Judge us when 5 years are complete, whether the task has been done or not, whether Goa has progressed or not, whether youth have opportunity or not, whether people have opportunity or not. When you are electing somebody for 5 years, it's not that in mid-term you try to eject somebody by undemocratic means, by false propaganda, by false thing. I'm sure ultimately better sense will prevail. Let us all together work for the good of our beautiful state, for the good of our country. Jai Hind.